that way, not being hard on yourself and saying, oh, you mustn't do that, mustn't do that. It's just replace it. And that's what this kind of word says. You see, one of the words that they say in some meditations, they call Christian meditation, is a word that's in Aramaic, the language Jesus used, and it means, come, Lord Jesus. You know, we sing the song about Maranatha in
it's not to say that men can't do contemplative prayer. So do you know what I mean when we talk about contemplative prayer? You know, it's prayer in solitude, it's quiet, it's on your own. It might be guided, but it's pretty, you know, you and God, right? It's not that men can't do that.
We hold hands. We are in this equal circle here. We're in a circle of women.
He was a young man in Mexico. He was martyred at the age of 14. So he was killed at the age of 14. His dying words was, "I will never give in. Vivo Cristo Rey Santa Maria de Guadalupe," which means long live Christ the King, and Mary, and Saint Mary of Guadalupe. So he was 14 years old.
Takes you a level beyond that. So God